All right, let's run through the next Mtel question on the practice test. So this one says, use the information below to answer the question that follows. A teacher uses algebra tiles to demonstrate 3 minus -3 to students. The teacher's work is shown below. And then it's wondering which property best justifies step 2 of the work shown. So step 1 is just 3 tiles. So we're representing the first part of the equation, just the 3. And then step 2, we're starting to consider minus -3. So what the teacher does here is includes 3 tiles again, and then also 3 negative tiles, it would appear. So she's adding 3 positive tiles and 3 negative tiles, which cancels out to 0, I guess. So the 3 and the -3 are canceling out. So here's a list of arithmetic properties and their definitions. And in this example, it looks like what she's doing is the additive inverse property. So she's adding 3 and subtracting 3, which you're allowed to do because that equals 0. You're not actually doing anything to the equation by doing that. So in step 2, that's what she's doing. She's canceling a positive 3 out with a -3. And then in the next step, she's removing the -3, which is basically what minus -3 is doing. And that gives us our result, which is step 4. And we get our answer, which would be 6 in this case. But in step 2, what she's doing is A, the additive identity property, because she's adding 3 and taking away 3, which cancels out to 0, which is, by definition, the additive inverse property.